This section is related about CSRF and logic flaws. Now in this section, what we are going to learn, first of all we will learn about what is CSRF, and then we will learn about the effects of CSRF on web applications. Then we will perform some practicals in form of cheat sheets. In the last video, we will learn about all the defense techniques about CSRF attack. Overview of cross-site request forgery attack. In this video, we are going to take a look at couple of points. We will learn about what is CSRF attack, and then we will explain about the process of CSRF attack on web applications. So let's talk about CSRF attack. CSRF or XSRF, it is also called XSRF. What is the full form of CSRF? Cross-site request forgery is the full form of CSRF. It is also called XSRF. What is the meaning of CSRF and how it works? So CSRF attack is a major attack on web application. I already told you that SQL injection, XSS and CSRF, these three attacks are the most important attacks available on web applications, in which attacker executes unwanted action in web applications to trick the user. Absolutely correct. So basically, if this is the browser and if this is the user who is using the browser, so what can happen? For example, if user is trying to send or transfer money from his bank account to his friend's bank account, so what can happen? The attacker can trick the user. So what will happen? It will basically change the query of the user and it will transfer the fund from his account to somebody else's account. So this is a kind of scenario inside CSRF. And this is a simple scenario, but there are multiple scenarios are available in CSRF that we will talk later in the videos. So here's the scenario, right? So here's the victim who is trying to use website, who is trying to use a web server, right? And he has his cookies, right? So what is the use of this attack in terms of attacker? So attacker will trick the user, and user will automatically redirect to some other malicious website. He will not redirect to the genuine website, he will redirect to some malicious website. So what can happen? Now attacker can basically steal the cookie or session of this victim and can take over the complete session and can manipulate his personal accounts as well. So this is a kind of CSRF attack, when attacker manipulates the query generated by the victim. Alright, this is all about CSRF and the process of CSRF.